The International Day for Women and Girls in Science was created to encourage girls around the world to pursue a scientific career and to celebrate the achievements of those in the sciences. World Cancer Research Fund supports researchers at all stages of their career, from funding vital research to encouraging more people to move into the field of nutrition and cancer.
I helped the WCRF to find the best and most useful projects in cancer prevention and cancer survival, and monitor the progress of the grant holders as well.
I work on the Continuous Update project, which collates and analyses all the evidence on what people eat and drink, how lean or fat they are, and how much physical activity they do, and how that can affect cancer risk.
The work that we do as part of the research interpretation team is the Continuous Update project, and that really reviews the evidence from around the world on how diet, weight, physical activity affects our cancer risk. Our expert panel make recommendations on what people can do to reduce their risk of cancer, and so really this work has a great impact and can actually save lives and make people's lives better.
I have always been very interested in biological sciences since a very young age. I was very intrigued about population studies. How can you study disease risk? What we call as epidemiological studies. So I was very fortunate to do my PhD at the University of Cambridge with late Professor Sheila Bingham, who really introduced me in the field of nutritional epidemiology and cancer prevention.
When I was at primary school, I remember being taught about Marie Curie, and I was just so awestruck by her work and how she was able to do what she did at the time that she did it. I was actually very lucky to represent my country at rugby union. I managed to play for Scotland for 8 years and amass 62 caps. So I've always been interested in how the physiological mechanisms improve or affect performance. And coming into this role has really enabled me to look at how lifestyle can affect disease and in particular cancer risk.
My geology teacher at high school, he used to pull tables together to represent tectonic plates and take people's pencil cases to represent magma chambers, and he would turn the whole classroom into a diagram. And he was so engaging and just made me feel very excited about the subject, and it just made us feel like we're unravelling the mysteries of the world as well as we did it. And I think that's what really gets me excited about science, is that you are learning about the world.
This International Day for Women and Girls in Science, we want to celebrate the incredible women that we support and the amazing work that they do.